Hello guys, welcome to day 8 of our graphic design training. And you've been following so far, you've discovered that for the past 7 days, we talked about who a graphic designer is and what graphic design is all about and the elements of graphic design. So this week, we're going to dive into the principles of graphic design, and today we'll be talking about typography. So what is typography? Typography is all about lining text, using it to do what? To communicate a message, the styles you give to your text, okay? And we have three kinds of typography, that is serif, sans serif, decorative or what, or script typography. Okay, so according to Paul Such, I said words have what meaning, while text has spirit. So this simple phrase just explained it all. Okay, we're now going to talk about the different kinds of fonts that we have when you are writing. So this Pixel app. So I'll click on text, and then there's new text. You click on edit, and then let's write something. Graphic design. Okay, so we're talking about the typography. So, and we said we have three types. We have serif, sans serif, decorative or stylish ones. So, and we have different kinds of fonts for it. So I'm going to show us, this is Pixel Lab. So I'm going to show us the different fonts that I have. You can actually download your own font, the fonts you want and all that. When the Pixel Lab comes, it has its own fonts, okay? The Pixel Lab has, look at it, see fonts, my fonts, okay? And then recently all about the fonts I've used recently. So these fonts, these are the fonts that the Pixel Lab came with. Can you see it? So we have different kinds of fonts. So you want it to look like this, you change it. You'll be looking at it up here. You see it, the design has changed. If you want it to be Amaranta bold, you click on Amaranta bold, it will become bold. Let's see how it looks like. See, look at how it looks like, okay? Let's increase the text. So look at it, it's Amaranta bold. And if you don't like this, you do what? You change it. You go back to the font, look at the font, click on the font. If you don't like this font, you change it. Font gives you different variants based on designs and all that. If you want it in italics or any font that maybe in the poster format, fancy style or anything, you click on it, look at it changes. Okay, let's look at this one. This fancy style, look at it. Is it not beautiful? It changes. So these fonts, they are all different and unique in their own ways. So it depends on what you want to design. And when you are designing, it's advisable to use only 3 types of fonts. Only 3 is advisable, because when you use too much fonts, your design won't be in order. So these ones are my own fonts, the ones I downloaded for myself. I needed them for my graphic design, so I downloaded them for myself. These are my fonts, okay, that I've been using to design. So if you don't like the one you have there, you download yours for the design, okay? So that's it for the class. See you in the next class tomorrow. Bye.